Hi, welcome to your computer class. In this lesson, we will talk about the layer palette. Let's get started. As we can remember in the previous topic, one of Photoshop's features is editing in layers. Layers let you organize your work into distinct levels that can be edited and viewed as individual units. Creating multiple layers lets you easily control how your artwork is printed, displayed, and edited. You will use layers often while creating a document, so it is important to understand what it does and how it works. This is how layer works.
Imagine you have 3 pieces of paper with 3 different shapes drawn on it. At first, it looks pretty simple, but when we start to pile these papers on top of each other, we can see that it's creating a new image. Some of you might say, why do I have to use 3 different layers when I could just draw it in a single one? Well, the reason why is because editing in layers is a lot easier. You can change this whole thing without damaging the other ones. Layers are located in the Layers palette. By default, it has one layer that says Background. If you want to add a new layer, you can just go to the bottom part of the layer palette and click this icon before the trash bin. If you want to delete a layer, just select the layer you want to delete and then click the trash bin at the bottom, or simply drag the layer to the trash bin, just like how we normally do it. The easiest way is to select the layer and press the delete key on your keyboard. Double-clicking on the layer's name will allow you to rename the layer. As you can see, the background layer has a padlock icon beside its name. This means that the layer is not editable. To remove this padlock, you can just drag and drop it into the trash bin. Let's say for example you are working with so many layers and you are having trouble looking for a specific one. That's when the filter options come to rescue. This feature of Layer Palette will allow you to filter the layers according to its kind, name, effect, mode, attribute, or color. For example, if you are looking for an image layer, just choose Filter according to kind, and then click this icon right here for image, and it will show you image layers. Blend mode is simply the way how layers blend with other layers, but we will dig into it more in the future lessons. Opacity changes the transparency of the layer from 100% to a 0 transparency. Fill is the intensity of the layer. It's quite similar to the opacity setting. Lock options allow you to lock the transparent pixels, lock the image pixels, lock position, or lock all. Locking some elements like the position is pretty handy, most especially for backgrounds, because most of the time you don't want your background to be moving. This eye icon on the left side of the layer is the layer visibility. It allows you to hide and unhide the layer. You can use this if you want to remove the layer from the preview without deleting it. The last option we will discuss for now is the group option. This allows you to create a group of multiple layers. This reduces confusion and it makes your layer palette well organized for a better workflow.
Understanding layers in Adobe Photoshop will make things a lot easier for us when we're editing. So, it is time for you to practice your working with layers and have fun creating your artworks. See you in the next lesson. This is Teacher Jem for ClickGen.